Hello everyone, welcome back to Messi Extra. Some lucky kids at Inter Miami were just practicing their own football skills. Suddenly, Lionel Messi showed up. You can bet their reactions were priceless. Eyes wide, jaws dropping, and a bunch of them frozen in disbelief. Messi is a football legend, so these kids, who dream of becoming like him, are now seeing their idol in person. It's like their wildest dreams just walked onto the field. There was a wave of excitement, with kids cheering, some even scrambling to get an autograph or a selfie. It's the kind of moment they'll be telling everyone about for years.
¡Golazo!
Golazo, papá. Golazo.